Introducing Valspresso's Valdex, a patented data feed for achieving consistently higher alpha with reduced risk. Value investing, as typified by Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch, is all about identifying undervalued stocks. But the analysis of price-to-value ratios has been difficult and is considered by many to be an art form. Until now, with the introduction of Valdex, the first and only patented methodology for identifying compelling market opportunities and achieving a price-value strategy that includes daily trading. This introductory video will explore what Valdex is, why it's possible to achieve results that have eluded quants for years, and how we have validated the technology with real-world data. We begin with what Valdex is. Valdex is a patented processing engine that generates daily 4 new variables that can be used to create a variety of portfolio investment strategies. The new variables include SI, a sentiment index, SQ, a sentiment quotient, FH, a fundamental health indicator, and EM, an earnings momentum indicator, all as shown in this diagram. SQ and SI are a function of the current market price, the most recently reported earnings, the required rate of return, the current T-bill rates, beta, and the market price history for a listed stock. FH is a function of the reported cash flow along with balance sheet and P&L data. And EM is a comparative function that uses historically reported P&L data. The best measure of investor sentiment is the price paid for a stock. Implicit in that price is a forecast of future operating performance or earnings. SI is used to project expected earnings growth. For example, an SI of 4 means that the company's stock price reflects an expectation that earnings are expected to quadruple. SQ quantifies the portion of the stock price that can be attributed to future earnings growth. For example, an SQ of 0.8 implies that 80% of the price is attributed to future earnings expectations, while 20% can be attributed to current fundamentals. Together, SI and SQ create a framework that assesses investors' optimism or pessimism related to a specific security. Valspresso was granted a patent for this measurement methodology. Valdex analyzes all publicly traded companies daily. The shown graph illustrates on a particular day all of the companies on the S&P plotted SQ versus SI. One can consider these curves as being divided into 3 groups from left to right. On the left, those stocks that are considered pessimistic, those that are optimistic in the center, and to the right, those that are considered irrationally exuberant. In addition to SI and SQ, the Valdex engine generates 2 other signals daily, FH and EM, that when combined with SI and SQ can yield specific buy-sell strategies by identifying value-based opportunities, those with pessimistic views but strong internal results. But why does Valdex work? Valdex is the product of an accounting approach to investing. Recent changes to the corporate reporting requirements found in GAAP, FASB, and Sarbanes-Oxley, for example the reporting of cash flows, has opened the door to an automated method for accurately measuring value for the first time. As well, the reduction in trading costs that has occurred over the last several years has led to the practicality of an automated price-value strategy that trades more frequently based upon daily market and reported financial data. Let's look at how it performs. With a simple example strategy in which we only hold stocks whose price sentiment is pessimistic, as shown, and whose FH is high, we can observe that for the S&P 500 for any 3-year period from 2004 to present, the trading strategy will yield an average annualized alpha of 8%, ranging from 4% to 15%, beta that's less than 1, and an information ratio that is greater than 1. Valspresso also offers its own trading engine, Valte, that creates daily trades based upon a flexible rule set in combination with the Valdex data feed. Valte can be attached seamlessly to an automated trading service. Rules include the ability to easily set the limit of risk exposure to any one security and select subclasses of securities to trade. Valspresso also offers 3 pre-designed model portfolios that have been thoroughly backtested. They include a large cap, a small cap, and a concentrated portfolio with only 30 securities. In addition, fund managers can create their own customizable portfolio. More sophisticated strategies have the potential of producing even better results. Test Valdex for yourself. Valspresso offers for free a sample data set for the period from 2004 to 2019 for all publicly traded equities on U.S. exchanges. Take this data feed and see what you can achieve. Valspresso is a financial technology and investment strategy development firm. Its 2 decades of research and innovation culminated with the granting of a U.S. patent and the development and deployment of a suite of rules-based artificial intelligence software applications that automates the entire asset management process, from analysis to portfolio constructions to trade execution, with a clear objective: improve results and reduce risk. Thank you.